o ye nga matiga mende we atit ke do be kyo ebe political mo me no wa men ka pe no ti ko me na ti na
hey boko nyinga dikijuri yedwe kati ya dikijuri yedwe.
Right, for tuning kama ikan mai tiye in my maru tami be TV kama wakili ye ngech mati ki ngech mutuin mano ki kwere kore kwiji Bwoyking declaring ni NP ki SugarMommy mo bene ipay lok mo mi tekgung kono do lunyera chila rio mone maginana etika progressing eno go nyeroti amako gipen you have a lot of business. Is a businessman, is not any SugarMommy's whatever, and it a businessman kono eno waju pingo anywhere and pay waju and take business cause those artists they were complaining like bro, if you are not a line of SugarMommy's chikudi inyute wa business mamiki show us your business ma initimo but another it doesn't have it permit ni umira ene nyut ni business and chara Bwoyking permit ni inano ba chana make a Bwoyking ikata posting media. No, it's not like that. And he love to be private. He need the privacy ma kita ano wajo kere interview chel marketing about when for me as Bwoyking, I want like even my enemies to give me money, you know. Pamete pamete lumona na go ingeo kala mono nuna ya ni in a business ngari chi automatically ngari people chara kawili that shop or that business or that workshop, that person will not go. So enemy a bit mano iti private mano kiriwala mono ne mero chero willy shop mamege ma I love that ki eno mede ki wacho ne ni mono lu nyero ma giti anen entiga progressing so and pay teki pa mo ikani olders you have a lot of business ma entiga running as Bwoyking. So ameta no kara chi alung Bwoyking wa bit kere tami be TV kan mono I programa makeloni celebrity vibe. So wachwa pingo and all those ultimate kining pingo eno tamo me wacho lok ene kidong ngomatika going on afo matek in me marulo putami be TV wabi nene wa mede kikile ngech mati mo twinge ki galo wang mono kera watimo kere chengju